everyone, and welcome to the final episode of Project Management for Dummies. Over the past 4 videos, we have covered everything from understanding project management basics to mastering tools, communication, and stakeholder management. Now it's time to bring it all together. For this video, we'll walk through how I managed this very serious project management for dummies as a project. You'll see exactly how to apply all the concepts in real-world example. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Every project starts from the initiation phase, and this series was no different. As a goal, I had to create a beginner-friendly video course to teach project management. My scope was 5 short, engaging videos covering the basics of project management, using examples and some practical advice. My stakeholders are you, the viewers, and myself as the creator and the editor. Success criteria. I wanted to deliver 5 videos on time, receive positive feedback, and engage viewers through comments and shares. This phase was about clarifying what I wanted to achieve and why this project was worth doing. Next came the planning phase, where I broke down the project into smaller pieces. Timeline. I set a 3-week schedule, 1 week for scripting, 1 week for recording, and 1 week for editing and publishing. Tasks and deliverables. Each video had specific tasks: scripting, recording, editing, and uploading. For example, this 5th video also included such tasks as brainstorming, outlining, and writing the script before moving on to filming. Budget. While I didn't have a big budget, I accounted for some basic costs like recording software, lighting, and any stock footage or music. Risk management. I identified risks like technical issues or script delays and planned for backups. For instance, if my microphone stopped working, I had a spare ready. Tools. I used Trello for task management and Google Docs for scripts, and a simple calendar for deadlines. At the end of this phase, I had a clear plan to follow, and it gave me confidence to move forward. Execution is where the real work happened. I started with scripting each video, dedicating specific days to writing and then revising. Once the scripts were finalized, I set up my recording space with the proper lighting and soundproofing to ensure professional quality video. I recorded the videos in batches to save time, which also helped to maintain consistency in tone and style. After recording, I wanted to handle the videos with the help of the videography and photography team, but unfortunately, as a part of my risk management plan, the team wasn't available and I had to edit the videos myself to clean up audio and add some visuals. This phase required a lot of coordination and focus to stick to my plan and meet the deadlines I set myself during the planning phase. Even during execution, I had to monitor and control the project to stay on track. I regularly updated my Trello board to track which scripts were done, which videos were recorded, and which were in editing. I reviewed each video after editing to ensure it aligned with the quality I wanted. When I ran into delays, for example, rewriting parts of the script, I adjusted other tasks to keep the overall timeline of the project intact. This phase was about staying flexible and proactive, ensuring the project moved forward smoothly. Finally, the closing phase, which is not done yet as I'm still recording the videos, but the closing phase will include publishing videos on my platform on YouTube, ensuring all descriptions, thumbnails, and captions are ready for viewers. I will share the series on social media and thank everyone who helped me in this journey. Most importantly, I will reflect, and I already started to reflect, on the lessons learned. For example, I realized that writing scripts for educational videos takes more time than I initially planned. So in the future, for projects like this, I will allocate more time for this task. Also, instead of having only one videography and photography team in the list, I will have several ones in order to create professional quality videos in the future. The closing phase isn't just about wrapping up. It's about taking those lessons forward to improve your next project. And there you have it, the full project management lifecycle in action, using this very series as an example. Through initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing, I managed to bring this project to life. I hope this example showed you how these concepts come together to bring something meaningful. Now it's your turn. Take a project you are working on and map out the steps using the framework we have discussed. Whether it's planning an event, launching a product, or starting a hobby, the principles are the same. Thank you for joining me in this journey. I hope you have enjoyed this series. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Remember, project management is a skill you can use in every part of your life. Until next time, keep managing those projects like a pro. Bye bye and see you soon.